Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, that candle here, which is going now, what did I told you in the last video? I told you in Monday if it came like that red candle like that and it closed like that red, that it indicating for us the market tomorrow is going to reverse, guys. And that's what here it's showing to us, guys. And me, I tell it to you in Saturday where we enter here, I told you the market is going to do like that, to stay here sideways. Then after that there is a big portion up, guys. Yes or no? So now here, as you see it, guys, that candle here, it's showing what else we said. If you remember here, it used to be Monday, guys. That candle here, that red one here, that one is the candle of Monday, guys. Yes or no? So that one, it's going the same how else we accepted, guys, as you see it. Everything in front of you, guys. And what also we said else, let's zoom it a little bit like that. What else we said here? We said we got here a inside bar like that. By the way, me personally, that out of Bitcoin or crypto in Friday, I enter in British pound from the top of the peak. Just today, I take it off the profit here. It's the same chart like here, the British pound USD or the cable. And here, I told you we got here an inside bar, guys. Either to come to close here or to close here. Yes or no? But that one, that candle which is going now is Monday candle, guys. Remember it. Monday candle. That one, it's always doing against what the market is going to do all the week, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing or crypto market in general doing. It's not that hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified very, very, very quick in Telegram than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here, guys, we need to wait in that daily candle to finish here. Then also, we're going to come back to you. That's why also we told you to subscribe to our channel. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you remember what I told you here. I told you either it's going to make for you 3 in the top and 3 down, like how it happened here. Then after that, you're going to see it going up. And the same thing what it's showing you here, guys. I told you also here we are going to enter in a sideways market. It needs to give us a flag and it's going to break it in the top here. Then also we are going to enter long, guys. That's what me been telling you, guys. And the good news here in our indicator, guys, what me I told you before. Also here we are in the control of the bulls, guys. Yes or no? And here we break in that long-term trend. Now for us to confirm it's 100% it's been a break-in. It's need to come and to break for us that last high, which is here, guys. Everything is very simple, my friend. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend, please. Helping us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment in our channel with how to it can growing up. So please, helping us. It will not take you that much. Just pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Now let's go in to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, what did I told you me in the last video? I told you it's going to stay here sideways like that. Or maybe it's going to give us here a double top like that. Because also we are going to base our trading in the 4 hours. If now the Bitcoin came and breaking for us the lower here, that's when the Bitcoin it will falling down, guys. Yes or no? Or another story, it's going to give us here a flag like that, then it's going to come and to break for us up, then also we are going to enter. Now it's still a little bit, it's going to fall down till here, guys. Remember my word. Then after that we're going to see if we are going to go higher or no? So here in the 4 hours, it's still a little bit early. Some people are sudden they do it like that. They said we got here a wage. There is no wage here. You can draw it from here, maybe from here. Like that. Yes, you can draw in here a wage like that. Or a triangle, but not from here. From here, it's far away from it. I think everything is too clear. But me, here, I'm looking at that one. That one here. Because that one here is the last supply and demand zone where is the market pushing up. And here in the top, we got the top supply and demand zone, guys. So now either to come down to here, to that zone here, that one. Then after that, it will go and break in for us here. And that one is the best scenario can happen into the Bitcoin, guys. So we need to wait until the daily candle finishes, guys. Then also we're going to come back to you by a new update, guys. So till now we need to wait. And I tell it to you yesterday in the last video, I told you also we are now in the moment. You don't need to do nothing. Just wait. It's need the chart to talk to you. Till now also we are not yet, guys. Everything is too clear, and the volume today, it's spiking a little bit, yes or no? But not that much compared to when it's pushing up, guys, yes or no? So now we need to wait a little bit, guys, till the daily candle finish it, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator, guys. If you remember that one, what me I told you about it. I told you got here a divergence, guys. Yes or no? I told you from that peak here and that peak here, you got a divergence. And I told you the things it make me worried. I tell it to you in Friday, in Saturday and Sunday. I told you we got here a divergence, and I show you in the chart. I told you the chart they are like that. Chart they are like that. Both of them they are equal. So that one is a divergence. And here what it's showing, it's breaking down, guys. It's enter here now because that 4 hours candle is not yet finished. It's enter here. Now also we are going to base our trading of that, guys. Now either from here, from that level where we are, is going to return to upside, or from here is going to break down here. And that means also we came out from the bulls control to the bears control, guys. Yes or no? Because that trend line, that one is not that stronger, guys. Me, that one I just bring it a few days ago. Now you got one trend line is very stronger, that one. That one in the top is very stronger, guys. Because that one is a divergence trend line. Everything is too clear. So now also we are in the middle, guys. There is nothing to do now. Just waiting what the market is going to tell you, guys. Everything is too clear. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you and you it can growing up. So please support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, if you remember what we said us. We said we are here at the overbought area. That's what else we said. We said, and we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it where I bring it from here. You see it or no? And all those times it's been reacting like a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? Because when you zoom in out like that, you see the clear picture, guys. Yes or no? Now, here, did we got any price action telling us we need to enter short, guys? Unless if it complete that double top, guys. If it complete that double top here, we will enter short. That's what me I told you for long-term investment. When the weekly candle finished yesterday, I told you let's wait in the 4 hours what is going to tell us, because the 4 hours is going to tell you the clear picture. Either the market is going to fall down or no. And I told you that week is a very, very, very massive week by news. So that week, either we're going to see a massive pump for crypto in general or a massive dump for crypto in general, guys. That's why I told you wait in here a price action to tell you also we are going to enter long or we are going to enter short. Till now the Bitcoin is going the same, how accepting it giving us that red candle, and that red candle is it for Monday. But also we are not going to base our trading just because of one candle, guys. Also we need a price action here telling us also we need to enter long. Yes or no? And here there is no price action, guys. Till now. Now here it's showing it's falling down. So we need to wait in if it's going to give us here a double top. And if it's break it down, also we are going to enter short, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, look at it, what it give us here. You see it or no? It give you here a cup and handle, guys. It's very, very clear cup and handle. And look at the volume happening here. A big sell off happening here, guys. Yes or no? And what did I told you here about the 200 moving average, guys? I told you it's been reacting here like a very stronger support. When it's being broken here. And me, where did I enter short? I enter from here, guys. From here, exactly. And last time I take profit here. Yes or no? And what did I told you here in the last video, guys? I told you we go here like that, a wage. If it's being broken up here, we enter long. Yes, we enter long and we put stop loss. That one here, it hate him for us the stop loss, guys. Yes or no? Now what you got here? Look with me. Here in 30 minutes. Here and here. What you got? Or you can even draw it like that. What you got, guys? You got a wage. Now either from here is going to go back and to break up. And also we're going to enter long again because where is the supply and demand zone we got, guys? Look at it. It's here. It's down here. So it might, that one, it will continue till here, till 20k or 19k. Then after that, we're going to find a big rejection happening, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's been here at the oversold. It came here near to the overbought. Now it's showing it's going back down. That's what me being telling you. Now there is no buying, no selling, guys. We need to wait until it's enter here. Then we see what's going to happen because now you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. Not yet. I think it's left for it a few minutes or few hours, but you are very close, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what else we done? In the daily, it's showing us that big candle. In the 4 hours, it's showing us it falling down. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing us it falling down. Should you buy, my friend? That's what me being telling you. It's not yet. Waiting a little bit here is going to confirm for us the trend is going to change, guys. And how we are going to know it? It's need to come and to break for us that last high, which is here, guys. When it break it at the right time for us to enter very long, guys. So now it's showing here a rejection down, but that one is just market makers play, guys. They just want to steal normal people. Believe me. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.